Take a ride in the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, power windows, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.